go. Okay, so we're out here, Northern Ontario. We're bird hunting today, grouse, and I thought I had to show you my awesome little cook setup here. We always stop for lunch, cook a couple of birds on the fire, and these tripods are available. This was a $20 or $30 tripod, but if you come a little closer here and look at this, you're going to see how nice it is to adjust. So it's got this little slider that connects to the chain, and I can drop it down or raise it up to get the heat right. This thing collapses down into about a 18-inch rig and rolls all up, and I throw the grill in this in the back of my side-by-side. Just takes 3 or 4 minutes to set it up. Very nice to cook on. And if you've never tried rough grouse, these are actually spruce hens. They're the darker meat. If you've never tried one fresh while you're out there, a lot of people don't like them because they say they get a strong taste after. But if you cook this on the fire like we're doing, right fresh, and you slice it off and you put a little Montreal spice, it's just about like roast beef. It's hard to believe until you try it. But anyway, this little cooking rig is fantastic. If you've never seen one, I bought this on Amazon. Again, it's not a lot of money, but I've had this at least 8 or 10 years. It's been through hell and it keeps on ticking. Okay, so we're getting close. Those birds are just about done. We're gonna pull them off there and put some Montreal spice in there. Just absolutely delicious. There we go, cutting into that bird. It looks just like roast beef. Look at it steaming there. And we're gonna take some good old Montreal spice and sprinkle it in there. And this is just absolutely delicious. You gotta try it. Just does not get better than that. This is so good, and I tell you, it's not, I'm not kidding when I say it's very close to roast beef. It's just delicious with the Montreal spice. Doesn't get better than that. Anyway, if you find that useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.